There is no such thing as a mild electric shock. In my field of expertise, I've come to conclude that different people react differently to electric shock. While you might be electrocuted and simply feel the pain, a friend of yours might be electrocuted and severely injured, while a family member might receive the same magnitude of that electric shock and lose their lives. Therefore, in my house, I do not assume and say that it was a mild shock, but I go ahead and ensure that I fix it instantly. If you have encountered such a problem, ensure to call your electrician who will troubleshoot the problem and fix it before it escalates. Also, consider having such important devices in your electrical installation, such as an RCD, a residual current device, which will cut the supply of electricity in the event that your loved one, is receiving an electric shock. This will save them from further injuries or, in worst scenario, death. Now, if you find this information to be helpful, kindly hit the like button. Earthing is a very important aspect when it comes to an electrical installation. In a video, I have talked much more about earthing from the consumer unit all the way to the meter box, to the ground, and how it goes back to the transformer, and how eventually it saves you or your appliances from damage or an electric shock. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more of this information. See you in the next video.